Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Job Panda. Today's job update is for Karnataka students only because the requirement the BEL have demanded it's that you should have registration in Karnataka Employment Exchange and that is the essential requirement. So hereby I will continue this video in English only, and the major qualification requirements are like this: diploma, registration in Karnataka Employment Exchange means other state students are not allowed, and BTech is also not allowed. And the major branches: electronics and communication 14, mechanical 10, electrical 01. So let's move to the BEL website and see what is the detailed advertisement. This is the BEL website, and if you tab on this career option, then you will find recruitment and advertisement. When you will click on this, it will leads to this page, and here you will find on number 3 the recruitment of non-executives for Bangalore complex. And here the advertisement is given on the Kannada language, as it is for the Karnataka students only. And there is also English advertisement is also given. So let's see the advertisement and what is the other important thing mentioned over the advertisement. So I have already downloaded the advertisement. So this is the advertisement: Bharat Electronics Limited. It comes under the Ministry of Defense. It's a good opportunity as here BL only allowing the one state, that is the Karnataka. So for the Karnataka students, it's a good opportunity as the other states are not allowed. And the posts are for the diploma engineering assistant trainee is the name of the post, and the qualification is diploma. The trade or discipline that are allowed are ECE, mechanical, and electrical. Only three branches are allowed, and the number of posts are 14, 10, and 01 respectively. There is no experience required, and the career or the pay scale is CTC is given 6.11 lakh approximately. This is the CTC. And the if we move downwards, then we will see the technician C. So the technician C post is for ITI students, it's not for the diploma. The other important qualification that require is the age. The age calculation date is 1st of January 2021, and the upper age limit is 28 years. There are relaxation on upper age limit on the basis of the category you belong. Like for other OBC is 3-year relaxation, SC and ST 5 years, and if you are a PWD candidates, then there is a 10 years of relaxation. You can go through this detailed PDF because I will put the PDF of this advertisement on my Telegram group, and the link of the Telegram group will be provided on the description box of this YouTube video. So let's see the other important things. Okay, one important thing is here: the minimum percentage of marks. Means for general EWS and OBC it is 60%, whereas for SC, ST and PW it is 50%. And this is the important point I have already mentioned in the YouTube thumbnail, that the registration in Karnataka Employment Exchange is essential. Experience is nil, 0 year. And the method of selection, let's see what is the method of selection. The part 1 general aptitude will be of 50 marks, and it will comprises of general mental ability, aptitude to logical reasoning, analytical comprehension ability, basic numeracy, data interpretation skills, and general knowledge. Part second, it is of 100 marks, and it will consist of your question from your technical branch. So means 100 from your technical plus 50 general aptitude, which consists of many parts like reasoning, GK, and numerical aptitude. So total it will be of 150 marks. Paper will be of 150 marks, and the minimum qualifying marks 35 in both part. Part 1 and Part 2 means you must have to score 35% marks in Part 1 and Part 2 if you belong to a general, OBC or EWS, and there is some relaxation for SC, ST and PWD. If you are PWD, SC or ST student, then you have 30% in both Part 1 and Part 2 separately. This is important. Separately you have to score 30 or 35% in Part 1 and Part 2. Now this is means this is related to your pay and allowances after selection. It is given that for a 6-month training period you will be provided a stipend. It's not a salary, it's a stipend for rupees 10,000 per month. And after completion of the training and on passing the graduation test, they will be placed on the regular pay scale, like earlier I have mentioned 6 point something it was. Now the application fee is 300 for general, OBC and EWS category, whereas for SC, ST, PWD there is no fee. They are exempted from fee, and application fee is not refundable. These are some basic guidelines. You all have been aware of all these things. Now how to apply is, this is their website. Okay, this is their website, and this advertisement I am talking about. Now this is the apply section. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get timely update. Thank you, and thank you for watching my video.